Welcome back to Fun Quiz Juice. Today we will come to the extremely interesting challenge. Guess the name of the sea creature. Can you guess which creature by just the first two letters? Try it now and don't forget to like, subscribe so you don't miss the next interesting quizzes. The first animal. Can you guess what sea creature this is? Yes, that is a dolphin. Number 2. This fish is famous for its fast swimming speed and is used in sushi. Tuna. Number 3. This is a species of fish where the male carries the fetus instead of the female. Seahorse. Number 4. This is an animal that often flies over the sea. Seagull. Number 5. This animal has a hard shell and usually buries itself in the sand. Clam. Number 6. Known as the king of seafood. Lobster. Number 7. They create underwater gardens. Coral. Number 8. This creature often comes ashore to lay eggs. Turtle. Number 9. Is an important food for many marine species. Seaweed. Number 10. They usually lie on their backs on the water surface. Otter. Number 11. This species has a fan-shaped shell and is highly valued in culinary arts. Scallop. Number 12. They have flat bodies like carpets. Stingray. Number 13. Creature with many tentacles. Squid. Number 14. This fish lives in coral reefs and is hermaphrodite. Grouper. The last animal. They swim upstream to reproduce. Salmon. Thank you for watching the video. Leave a comment and see how many movie names you can answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more interesting new videos.